Use Euclid division algorithm to find out HCF of 900 and 270, 196 and 38,220. And third question is that 1651 and 2032. We need to find out HCF of these three pairs by using a Euclid division algorithm. For that, firstly, we have to know about a Euclid division algorithm. What is Euclid division algorithm? Says that for any given two positive integers a and b, where a is greater than b, then there exists a unique pair of integers q and r satisfying the a is equal to b into q plus r, and 0 is less than or equal to or less than the b. So this is a Euclid division algorithm. What does that mean? Means if you take any two positive integers a and b where a is greater than the b, on dividing a by b, you get the two numbers that are quotient and remainder. Then by using a division is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder, this a can be written as b into q plus r. Okay, this is only they have given in the sentence form like this as a division algorithm. Okay, so by using this we need to find out HCF of these three pairs. So firstly, let us take the first pair. First pair we have that 900 and 270. 900 and 270. Here in this, what is greater number? 900. What is the smaller number? 270. That means consider the greater number 900 as a and smaller number 270 as a b. So let a is equal to 900 and b is equal to 270. Now for these two numbers we need to apply Euclid division algorithm. On applying Euclid division algorithm, we get 900 is equal to 270 into quotient and plus remainder. That means we need to divide this 900 by 270. So on dividing this 273 is a 810, then you get a remainder as a 90. That means 900 is equal to 270 into 3 plus 90. Now what is the remainder here? Remainder is 90. Here remainder is 90, which is not equal to 0. If remainder is not equal to 0, now we need to take a new dividend as a 270 and new divisor as a 90. Then we need to apply the Euclid division algorithm. That means take a 270 as a new dividend and 90 as a divisor. Apply Euclid's division algorithm. Euclid division algorithm. That means we need to divide this 270 by 90. Now 90 3 is a 270. That means 270 can be written as 90 into 3 plus 0. Here what is a remainder? Remainder is 0. And divisor, what is divisor here? Divisor is 90. If divisor is 90, when we get a remainder as 0, in this step what is the divisor? That divisor would be the HCF of these two numbers. Then therefore we can say that HCF of 900 and 270 is 90. Now if you take the second question we have 1051. Sorry, second question we have 196 and 38,220. Now firstly it is better to us to divide these two numbers. That means divide the 38,220 by 196. So first I'm taking first three digits. 9s are 196 and subtracting it you get a 186 and bring down the 2, then becomes a 1862. Now 9s are 196 9s are 1764. Now I'm subtracting it you get a 98, then bring down the 0, then 5s are 980, then we got to remember 0. Now if you observe this, what is A in this greater number is 38,220, B is 196. Now on applying Euclid division algorithm we can write on applying division algorithm on applying division algorithm 38,220 can be written as 196 into 195 plus 0. 196 into 195 plus 0. In this case, what is remainder? Remainder is 0. Divisor is 196. So, whenever we get a remainder 0 at this point of the time, what is the divisor? That divisor is a HCF. So, in this case, what is HCF? 196. Therefore, HCF of 196 and 38,220 is 196. Okay, let us see the third question. Third question we have 1651 and 2032. Here, what is a greater number? Consider greater number 2032 as a smaller number 1051 and B. Now apply division algorithm. That means what? We need to divide this greater number 2032 by 1051 or 1051. So 1's are 1051 and subtracting it you get a 381. That means 2032 can be written as 1051 into 1 plus 381. Now what is remainder? Here remainder is 381. Divisor, what is divisor? Divisor is 1651. So as a remainder is not equal to 0, as a remainder is not equal to 0, 381 is not equal to 0. Now we need to consider the new divider. Take a new dividend as a 1051 and a divisor, new divisor as a 381 on again on applying division algorithm. Again on applying division algorithm, that means what? We need to take a new dividend as 1651 and new divisor as 381. Now we need to divide this. On dividing this, 381 fours are 1524. On subtracting it you get a 127. Again you got a remainder is 127, which is not equal to 0. In this case, what is the next step? On applying Euclid division algorithm for this 381 and 1651, you get 1651 can be written as 381 into 4 plus 127. Here, what is remainder again? Remainder is 127, which is not equal to 0. So, take 127 as a new divisor. And 381 as a new dividend. Apply division algorithm again. Applying division algorithm, that means we need to divide this 381 by 127. So on dividing 381 by 127, 127 3s are, you get it as an 381, then remainder is 0. Then if you on applying Euclid division algorithm, 381 can be written as 127 into 3 plus 0. Here remainder is 0. Remainder is 0. In this case, what is a divisor? Divisor is 127. Divisor is 127. Whenever you get a remainder 0 at this point of this, at this step, what is a divisor? That divisor becomes a HCF. So what is HCF here? HCF of 1051 and 2032 is 127.